Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today's video is going to be a dip nail video. Yes. So I bought off of Amazon the Azure Beauty, I think it's called, 10 pots of 12-gram dip powders. So this is what it comes like. It just comes in a plastic box. Pretty standard. There are no liquids with it, so you would have to buy them separately, but I already have liquids, so yeah. So they come in 10 different colours, and it also comes with some instructions, very thorough instructions, which is great. So yeah, that's in there too. And now I'm going to go through the colours. So this is a blue, and they all come sealed. And this blue was kind of weird. It was like very chalky. It was like pigment. It wasn't like fine, but the rest of them were very finely milled. So this is the orange, and then this one here is the green. This is the red. This is the pink. And then you get a purple with a light shimmer in the actual, I hope you can see it. I think you can. Then you get a yellow with more shimmer. Then you get this lovely nude colour. I was quite happy with this nude. And then last but not least, you also get a black. So yeah, they come with a lot of different colours and they are large jars. So yeah, I was quite happy with these. So I am using fall cover tips today, but you can use half tips and you just apply it exactly the same way, but I would advise doing a clear layer if you put it on your natural nail. So I did use the purple and blue from this kit, and then I also used a purple glitter that I bought like in January from eBay. I wanted a bit of glitter with it, so yeah. So now I'm just gluing on my tips and I'm showing you how I do that. Like I said, you can put these on your natural nail, you can put these on with half tips or full cover tips. It's completely up to you. I just like to keep my nails, as I've said in many videos. So now I'm just buffing away the shine with my nail file. I did use my peel off base coat because I want to do another set in a couple of days, so it makes it easier for me to pop off, and I also get to keep them and I can wear them again whenever I want. So if you do put these on your natural nail and you want them to stay on, I would skip the peel off base coat and I would make sure to prep, prime and dehydrate and all that good stuff on your nail. So now I'm going in with the base, and I painted it on to about 70 to 80% of my nail, and I just leave that sit and dry. Obviously I tapped off the excess, and then I'm going in now with that glitter. The glitter pot was too small for me to dip my long nails in, but the bigger pots that I got in this kit, you can dip your whole nail in. These, like, in my whole thumb fit in, so that's great. And now I'm going in with the blue, and I do the same process again with the three colours, with all three colours. And each layer I wipe away the excess, and then I go a little closer to the cuticle with the base, and I do this about 3 layers on just like normal, like just basic colour. The glitter, I think I done 4 layers in total, because obviously it's glitter, so you need like more opacity, but after the 4th layer it was great. Like I said, the blue was a bit like chalky, but it worked, it was fine. I think that was pretty much it. I did a marble on my ring finger with the purple and the blue from the kit, and I also done my thumb in that lovely shimmery purple colour. So can you see how chalky that sort of looks? It's really weird, but like I said, like, you can fit your whole nail in without trouble, which is perfect. I think, yeah, these ones are 12 gram, and then the other one that I had is a 10 grams. So there's only 2 extra grams, but it's like so much better. Like those 2 grams make a load of difference, and the pots are so much bigger. So this is the last coat on the purple now, and then before I start doing my marble, I do apply step 3, which is the activator, to harden it, because obviously without the activator it won't harden and it'll be goopy and you can move it around. If you do get this on your skin, like the base, obviously if you can, take it off before you dip, but if you notice then that some of it is on your skin, just take a cuticle pusher or a toothpick or an orange wood stick and just scrape it around the cuticle and off your skin. Yeah, once I was done with all my layers, I applied activator and then I started on my marble nail. So with the marble nail, I done 2 coats of the blue colour, and then I poured the blue into that little white tub that you can see under my finger now, and then I just like sprinkled some purple in on top of the blue and mixed it with my cuticle pusher, and then I dipped again. But I done 2 dips of the marble just because it's the first time I've done the marble, and I've seen like loads of tutorials on YouTube on how to do marble with dip powder, sorry. It didn't come out like really wow in your face, but it looked alright, and it was a very hint and subtle look to it, so I was happy with that. But I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the application, and I'll come back when I apply the activator and do the filing. So enjoy, guys. I'm back, guys. Hello. So you just see me apply another layer of activator. Always make sure you do this. I'd apply 2 layers of activator personally. That's my preference. You don't have to. It says 1 in most instructions. And also, after using the activator, I would suggest swapping the activator and brush cleaner brushes around, so that your brush doesn't harden. So now I'm just going in with my file, and because they're pretty like smooth on top, I don't see the point in like doing too much filing on the top, so I just shaping up the sides. The marble nail could have done with a bit more filing on the side, but it still turned out fine, and I'm still happy with it. And I think these colours are great. But I'd highly recommend Azure, I think it is, Beauty dip powders. That's the ones that I've used the most of, and I really like them. Obviously, the longer your nail, the more dips you do have to do. If you're just doing it on your natural nail, then you would only have to do about 1 or 2 dips. I'd say 2. And the longer the nail, obviously, the more dips you have to do, because you have to work your way down the nail to make an apex and all that stuff. So after filing, I then apply another layer of activator and make sure it's dry and hardened. And then I didn't use the top coat from this dip system. I actually used the Model 1's gel top coat, just because I prefer gel top coat, that's all. That's just my personal preference, but you can use any any top coat you like, because yeah. But obviously I'd apply a layer of activator before you apply the top coat. And then what I do is, once I've top coated, I just stick on some rhinestones, some cuticle cuff rhinestones around the marble nail, cure in my lamp for 60 seconds, and that's basically it, guys. This set took me about 25 to 30 minutes. Dip powder is so easy and simple, and I'd highly recommend it if you wanted acrylic nails but you can't work acrylic like me. But yeah, guys, we're coming up to the end now. Just watch the end for the reveals. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe, and I hope that you're all still smiling, and keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one, guys. Bye. I begin You're mine for sure.